Hey guys, so last week I made a big purchase on Amazon. It's a ring light, and after doing tons and tons of research and, trying to figure out which one I wanted, I finally came to the conclusion that this is the one. So I read tons of reviews, everything seems great, so I'm going to unbox it for you and set it up. So I'm honestly so excited to open this. It's been a week, and this is the first time in a week that I've had time to get started with this.
Wherever you go with your babe, go with your babe. Oh, when I'm at my store, I definitely wouldn't miss a thing. When you rest on your own and you're wondering if I'm following, just know wherever you go with your babe, go with your babe. Look at the draw. That's my lottery one.
So here's the tripod. So with the tripod, you just open it up. It's a little hard. And then you want to make sure you screw it tight so the legs don't move, because you are putting the ring light on this along with your camera, and if it's unsturdy, then you're going to have a problem. Now, you are going to take the ring lights and hook it right onto this top piece here. And the ring light actually moves back and forth, so you want to make sure that you are screwing on both pieces tightly so the light does not move. There. Alright, so let me show you some of the things that this ring light comes with. This piece where you put your phone inside, so you can use this ring light with a camera and with your phone. It comes with a mirror, so you hook this mirror up right here. That's one of the reasons why I loved this ring light, because if I'm doing a makeup tutorial, I need a mirror. It comes with a little screwdriver to set up the mirror. It also comes with these filters. So, the tungsten filters and the diffuser filters. I'm probably going to use these a lot. I feel like it gives more white light than a little tint. So, yeah, this is great. So, I'm going to link the exact one that I got below. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off the plastic on this mirror. So, it doesn't really look like this. This is just the plastic. It's actually a really good mirror. And I'm going to set it up on the ring light right now. And there you go. It was actually really simple to put together. They give you everything you need, the screws and the screwdriver. So the way that this mirror works is, if you see, it has an indent right here. So this indent is here because you're going to place your camera right here. So the next step is I'm going to show you how to set up your camera. So this is the hot shoe that the ring light came with, but I did notice when I set it up, it was short and my camera would have been behind the mirror. Now I did read reviews on this and how, it kind of was a disappointment to people. So I went ahead and I bought a separate hot shoe for the ring light. So it's a taller one. So I'm going to show you how I set that up. I'm going to combine both of the hot shoes together. So I'm going to take the tall one and I'm going to take the piece from the shorter one and screw it towards the bottom. Then I'm going to place it right in here and then tighten it. Now your camera should be tall enough to fit on top of the mirror. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so the camera is now set up onto the ring light. So the next step is to put the diffusers on, which are the filters that it came with. I started putting it on. Don't be afraid because they have to snap in. You kind of have to push them really hard. So let's see. And that's it, you're done. So now this is the ring light. And this is as bright as it goes. And then you can dim it to there. Now I'm looking directly at the camera while looking in the mirror. This is why I love this ring light. So I would highly recommend it, even though it didn't come in directions and I was a bit confused at times, but I figured it out and now I love it. Don't forget to check out my Instagram at Keeping Up With The Fashions for more pictures and videos using this ring light, and also my blog, keepingupwiththefashions.com. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
Going.